Huway para siya.
Ayaw nag-inom pa kay para kuan taas taglahutay.
Yan, butangan ka ng kuan ba? Bamboo wood. And then sleep in the
tree house.
Mga man imong gikuan no.
Tree house.
Ali aya
ba? Wo katilaw. Oh, malami. Oh, tapos dakan mo haja kay tapos sa mo. Wala lang.
We'll take a walk down here.
Look at Liam. Look at Liam there.
What's he doing?
Charles and Kylie are running.
Oh, okay.
Lagi, duha sila ihang kubos.
Oh, okay.
Mobi ka niya na si Charles, mura na kuno sa pagkira. Ikaw na ba duha ka book niya man?
Well, Liam on his uncle's shoulders taking a ride out in the middle of the province. Well, can't focus in. There he is. They're taking advantage of the new fence. This fence wasn't here when we were last here. It was 5 months ago. People were doing their laundry and they used the fence here to dry it. It's a pretty good idea. Except you gotta be careful because it's barbed wire and it'll poke right through the clothes. Now this guy here, this fence here and all this property behind it is owned by an Australian who's actually putting together a resort here. They're going to, you can see the pylons right there for, I believe he said, where you're going to start building the bungalows, I guess. But right over the side of that hill there, going down, is where the ocean is. So, and our property, here's the little road going across. Our property happens to be from this pole all the way down to those other poles there across. It's a big square. So, and then we have this pole here all the way across to that pole, and then that pole goes all the way down to that big tall one down there. So that's our piece of land. We're gonna put a big nipa hut for coming vacation when we come back from the States. We'll have a place to stay because this here is her uncle's house. I believe that's her cousin's house right there. The big tin roof right there, the big tin, that's a brand new one. That wasn't here before we were here. But look at this view. Isn't this a beautiful view? It's so quiet up here. There's a breeze. It's about 80 degrees right now. Isn't it beautiful? Now, right through the woods there, I don't know if I can zoom in or not, but right through the woods is also her cousins, Ann's cousins. You can see her cousins right there. There's a house right in there. That's also her cousins. So we're surrounded by family, except for this piece, a big piece of lot wood. He's got a new shed right here, this blue one. So it's going to be a pretty good sized resort, I guess. They're going to pave this road here, which is going to be really nice for us. This has got a great big dip here, so we're going to have to fill it in so we can park our van over here somewhere when we get that built sometime in the future. It's really hot, and we decided to make a trip up here because we have the new member of our family, the van, which we call, well, Ann calls it Kitty. She named our other van Bluey. His motor quit, so we had to replace him. But he's going to a good home. We're going to be donating him to her sister, which lives up here. Her sister's husband is a loan officer at a bank, so they're going to probably replace the motor in it. They're going to come down and pick up Bluey. But we wanted to take a trip out here, and coming out here was a lot of fun because when we did come out here, we did run into one checkpoint. We went through about 3 of them, but they just waved you through. But one of them we got stopped, and they wanted to see our even though we're on GCQ, which is general quarantine, they were not. So he was telling us that he was deciding whether or not to let us continue on or or make us turn around and go back home. Now, if we would have turned around, that'd have been at least an hour drive back to the house. But he was nice enough to let us come up here, and now that we have my sister-in-law with us, she's got a quarantine pass for this area, so we can just show him that pass to get her home, and that's about it.
Back to back silang duha.
Dodo ta.
Aw na ni Gia.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Got out of the house?
Tired and sleepy.
Sleepy? Why are you sleepy?
Oh, I wake up 4.
I didn't
Then
go
I go to sleep 12,
So the plan was what time to leave this morning?
4 or 5.
Hmm.
Among sabot manglarga mi alas 5. Ay nakagawas na alas 6 na. Alas 6 na no? Nakalarga ta?
Almost 6.
Uli na to ani checkpoint.
With the kids.
Ay si Baku in town. Hato na mo sa jihan. Oh, tuyok na pod. Layo lagi kay alas just layuan yung agian ti dinhiman sa kanang kilawahan. Engko, di man siya ganahan mo agi didto kay kanang dagko kay bato, masangiyad man. Wala Japon niya to.
Nagilakda nanay area ka pa daw sa kasama ba.
Wow.
Ang
Dara, chicks oh. Ala,
bago pa i-open kay nagpositive man ang staff. Ang mayor po i-isolate.
Mau magpakita lang sa buwan, pagkabot dire. Dinira kan pagka.
Second cousins.
Spirit na po. Kay quarantine man po.
Undong gani.
Be.
Jason gani pa.
Ha? Dili kay ang
Jason bitaw katagaan naman.
Karaga.
PNB ko siya.
Stress. Laman tabi.
Yes.
Mana kanina? Yos pa ka.
That's an egg tree.
Big tree.
Egg tree.
Wala pa inyo tubig.
Ang nato ka dodong. Akong bilid kay dodong dito.
Ay padala ra niya.
Totoo.
Okay.
Ini tubig na lang.
Binakam ka.
What you doing, Booger?
Dito man ako.
Asa inyo inis namin ni tubig ba?
Are you eating snack?
Si relax eh.
4 meter.
Got grapes?
Si relax.
Napamainit eh.
Napa ko na init oy.
Hoy,
Nanguan
si relax si Lilian.
Kami siya.
Hala ka dala. Bitanon mag-tre. Hala, mari lagi.
Sister-in-law, hello. It's been what, 6 months since we seen you? Has it been 6 months or 4?
11 months.
11 months ain't been that long.
Joke.
I think it's about March.
March.
Was it March? Did we come up here in July or no?
March kuya.
March?
March 18, birthday of Liam.
Oh, that's right. For Liam's birthday, yeah. You were up here for Liam's birthday.
July.
4 months.
3 months.
Almost, yeah. Almost 4 months.
Taas na nakubo na ng tiga iyuhan. Nay, bitin lang.
Mapapalit ako tanong na mo.
Sa tika mo kay ibta lang te.
Samot gaya.
Dagay lang ko kwarta na.
Ay lang palit tao ka nang kay dato na
Agay, dato mong bahay. Madako pa yung bahay.
Nangyabangan ka ko na.
Pagsadi ko yung gili kay tayo na kay dukod ako kay abang agit.
Nagling ko ng mga bata dire.
Ano ra jud ka
Han, he wants to go in there with the kids.
Mo touch mo ko siya sa cat ha. Mas scared ko mabite siya sa cat ba.
You eat a
We
lot
keep on
na.
follow the kid.
It's a makeshift little iron shop. Yeah.
Keep on chasing the cat, the chicken.
But it's all hand pump. You know, turn that big wheel right there and turns the belt. Puts oxygen to the flame right there. So they can heat up that metal and start banging on it. There's their anvil, I guess.
Tarong mo, tiyo.
That looks like hard work. I'm too lazy for hard work. What's he making?
Ayun.
Nindot, dali na lamang. Dong, akong anak. Dong.
Kabra. Gani. Tara, diging. Swil.
Talong. Loko lang. Sabila, ito yan. 35 mo. 35. Lawid din sila mga kuloy nila.
Tugpar yun niya. Tugba. Init pa ka una.
Nakasigita ka. Walang takpang. Oh, eat egg. Oh, tita.
Try na mati wala.
Oh, eat egg. Tita.
This is Anne's uncle.
Oh, look at me. Look at me.
Pakala lang bagay ano pa na? Oo, punya lang bagay.
Wala, uy, magitin sa niyo. Anak, uy. Ang sandi ay. Ay, nag-video siya kung saan pag-imo, upuan. Ala pa pa na, maabot na ka na sa Amerika, gibidyohan ka niya. Iyan ang ipuan ba ya? Daghan kay ka nag-viewers.
Oo. Ang tao na nailon. Like a monkey.
What's Liam doing now? Whoa!
Dungan sa mga tulong ay na. Di man way gana mga
Ni hide ang cat.
Meow lagi kuno oy ang meow. You bad cat daddy oy.
No. No.
No, I hate cat.
Go get inside.
Why would he want to get in there?
The cat.
No.
That's it.
You see a cat?
Baby cat. And also the cheek. He keep on chasing the cheek. No, ma. Yeah, that's a splinter. Not there, kay hat. Oy.
Leave him be. What's wrong, baby? Come on. Walk, okay. Okay. Oh, Daddy. Where we going, baby? Huh? Yeah, they're working hot over there, huh? Let's walk up here by Mama. Yeah, let's walk. Look at the chickens. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell